guys, so today's makeup tutorial was inspired by the one and only Kim Kardashian West. And this makeup, well not this, but her makeup was done by Nikki Makeup. I just love it. I fell in love. I actually just saw this makeup yesterday and I screenshotted it. I was like, I have to recreate it. So if you guys are interested on learning how to recreate this makeup look, please keep watching. To start off this look, you will apply a moisturizer. The one I'm using today is the one from Nivea. And the foundation I'll be using with my beauty blender is the one from Yves Saint Laurent. The concealer I'll be using today is the one from Tarte. And making sure everything is equal, blending the whole thing with my beauty blender. My brow pencil, I don't usually wear brow pencil that much, but because Kim Kardashian's look is a little bold, I thought that the whole look would look just perfect with a brow pencil or any other product that will just make your brows look perfect. And of course, I place my brows with my brow mascara from Maybelline. Using my favorite eyeshadow palette from Motives Cosmetics, I'll go and use this matte brown eyeshadow, and apply it everywhere on my crease to create that natural shadow, and also apply some on my lower lash line. And then with my 88 color palette from BH Cosmetics, I took the darkest brown shade, and with a really small brush, I applied it on my crease to create that cut crease look. And then with my brush, I went over it and blended to the brown shade. And then with the lightest gray silverish, I applied on my lid and in the inner corner of my eyelids. And then I took the same dark gray that I used previously on my crease. I applied a little bit on my lower lashes to create that perfect shadow. And then with a really small black pencil, I went over it again just to, to enhance that little shadow a little bit more with my black pencil. And using my black liner, I went in and did a winged, pretty much a deep one, a nice wing liner. By the way, guys, all the products that I'm using on this video, I'll be posting every details down below. So again, with my black pencil, I went over the crease I created previously with the dark gray shadow, just to, crisp it even more, like Kim Kardashian's makeup look. Yes, I had to do this. And then I went in with my Lily Galici eyelashes to create that perfect lash look. A nice bold makeup look cannot be complete with beautiful lashes. And then I went in with my BH Cosmetics contour palette and did a natural contouring over my face. As you guys can see, I'm using the same color pretty much everywhere on my face to contour. Blend, blend, blend. And then with my Physician Formula highlighter, I wanted something very natural like her makeup, because her highlighter wasn't really intense. So I went with something that is not too intense, just the perfect amount of highlighter. And of course, I added my mascara over the lashes just a little bit so it can blend perfectly, and on my lower lashes as well. I used my Toffee lip liner all over my lips. Well, not all over, but I did contour my lips with it. And then I went over with my e.l.f. matte lipstick. And since her look was a little bit more like, not glossy, but like hydrated slash glossy slash anyways, you know what I mean. I went over with my Dior lipstick, and that has the serum in it, so it can be a little bit more like hydrated and not completely matte. I cheated a little because my lipstick is more a little pinky than earth tone like she has, but that's the one I had in front of me, and I felt like it blended pretty much well.